careful with that kind of stuff.
I know. Yo, what up, YouTube? And all my Ryker riders. Y'all know what went down. Somebody stole my hood, but Can Am's hooking me up. Let's watch the video. Let me go get this hood. What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? I'm quite sure you saw what happened. Somebody stole the Shadow Black Ryker's hood right off the Ryker. So, been going back and forth with Can Am. Can Am looked out for me. So I'm about to go get me another hood. Let's hope it works out. Alright, so I'm gonna have to drive one of the cars. So, am I taking the Honda? Am I taking the convertible Mazda? Or the souped up Accord? It looks like it's gonna be the souped up Accord because the AC's running and we ready to go. We here, YouTube. Going to see if they got it. Hopefully they got my hood.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? You heard?
What the hell, bro? They stole it?
Yeah.
And you got it back?
No, I didn't get it back.
Oh, you didn't even get it back?
No, I can't. I called y'all up. Y'all the only ones that got a hood. Can Am called you?
No.
Can Am said they was gonna call around and find me a hood, but I guess I beat them to it.
Yeah, no, I didn't get it. Unless they spoke to Parts Direct. I don't know. So what's up, bro? They
Nothing,
just,
man.
where they, what?
I had it parked somewhere. I was in a mall and I came out
And that was gone.
Yeah, like a little parking area.
But how'd they, you know, I very rarely see spiders get stolen.
No, they didn't steal the bike. They only took the hood off.
Oh, they only took the hood off?
Yeah.
That makes no sense.
No, it don't.
That's like the most random thing ever.
Yeah. But you
unless
can't
some
get
dude
no
rolled up with, unless some dude rolled up with a Ryker and was like, I don't want that.
This. Yeah, exactly.
I think maybe he was missing parts or somebody he knew and he was like, yo, if you see one, take one off on me. It had to be because there's no way in the world.
Because he was driving with it and he had it on.
Right.
And
Yeah.
you would
Yeah.
see it fly.
Because when
off.
I left my house, I had it on. So I was like, no way. And then when I looked, I was like, ha ha.
Yeah, I saw it, but I misread it as that it was
That's
gone.
what everybody
Yeah.
was like, oh, they stole it. I was like, nah, they just took the damn hood off, man. I was tight, man. Tight. I was like, I called around. Nobody had it. And if you order it direct, it's going to take 3 weeks. And I got an event on Saturday.
Yeah.
So I was like, nah.
So do they have it here or no?
Yeah.
Oh, we
I
have
called
it.
in,
Oh,
yeah.
look at that. You see?
You know.
BRP called.
Oh, BRP
see?
did call. You see?
That's what I'm
All
talking
right.
about,
They
man.
didn't speak to. That's why they didn't speak to me. But awesome.
This guy right here.
Right.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? How are you?
I'm good. BRP called. Said
They
had-
did, but I got wrapped up with other stuff, and I don't know who called. Some I don't know if you called or somebody. A guy called me first.
that
I don't
had,
know who it was. They
I think we
mentioned their
called
name.
at the same time because
Yeah, because I got a call from a male. I didn't get their name, and I said I have this color. It's the only one I have.
that was me.
See, I don't know. I don't know
Right.
who it was. I didn't ask the name or anything. And then literally like 5 minutes, or no, it was like 2 or 3 minutes later, a lady
You're
named
faster
Hannah
than Can-
called,
you're faster
said,
than Can Am.
hey.
Yeah, you called before Can Am.
Yeah, because we were
Yeah.
both searching.
But the problem with she left a message saying, oh, you know, we'll give you a deal of credit or something. So I'm thinking another deal was trying to get this item.
Oh, okay. No,
I didn't
they.
know, you know, who was actually trying to get it.
It was actually the company BRP was gonna give me give you.
He
the
does all
credit.
the. He did the video here for the YouTube, so he does a lot of stuff with Can Am. So
Right.
that's why when I
I
saw his
don't know
video
this-
pop up and then he walked in, I was like, dude, they stole your Can Am. And I saw his video.
Yeah. That's out of control.
Yeah, so they was like they was gonna rescue me because I got that big bike event is Saturday in the Bronx, and I'll be putting that on YouTube Live. So I was like, I need the bike, man. There's
Of
no way I
course,
could show
yeah.
up.
How you gonna do?
You're gonna
a
walk
video,
around with the
yeah.
camera, no bike.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
That's horrible. So
Yeah.
I was like, you know what? Let me just see, man. I was like, man, I don't have the wrap on it, but at least it's black, so I don't have to worry about it. But
Yeah.
I called
Listen.
the guy up for the wrap.
At least you have it. That's all that matters.
The first
right?
thing is having the item.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what color.
Because right now everything's been
It's
crazy.
just everything's banana.
I know you
Look,
can't
I
get
got no spiders.
Yeah, I
Door
just,
does.
I just noticed.
You ain't got no
Nothing.
slingshots either?
You want a slingshot? If you say Kenny, I want an automatic slingshot. October. What? Yeah. You want a Ryker? You want a spider? You're looking at end of July, early August.
That's crazy. That's just
Thank goodness.
Yes, sir.
All right, man.
Yes.
Good
Thank
meeting
so
you, man.
much. Yeah, you too.
right,
Have a good one,
got you,
guys.
bro.
All right, man.
All right, bro. They had it. Can Am came through, hooked me up at Mineola Motors, picked up my Ryker hood. We gonna be in action, yo. Thanks to everybody. This is gonna be dope. I'll show you when I put it back on. All right, YouTube. So funny story. This is crazy. After I go pick up the part and I bring it home and I'm ready to put it on, I open the box. It was empty. It was full of foam and paper. So called back the store. I was like, hey man, the box is empty. He was like, oh my goodness, we took that one out for display and we forgot to put it back in the box. I was like, oh man. So anyway, I went back, picked it up, and now this is what I got. So alright, so yo, this is why working with Can Am and BRP is the best. The company is off the chain. They did everything they could to get me this replacement hood so I could go to this big event this weekend. Shout out to Jonathan Armstead from BRP Can Am on road. Yo, also shout out to Dan NYG_86 from Instagram. Yo, he hit me up on IG, saw that I lost my hood, said I could come and pick up his hood and use it for the event. So shout out to him for the love he's shown. All right, hey, listen, YouTube, thanks for watching. It's been a fun video. See you with another one real soon.